how many 05 Greatest family. So here is G.P.G production. This is where our late brother Bruno. This is where he started the work when his sad news came that we lost him. But because we have one family on the channel, we look at the families, and these are the guys that he works with. And we are here to show you that the project Bruno took before, God called him to his glory. Yeah, they are here to finish it. They are doing it, so we are here to show you that when you call G.P.G, you've called all the families, all the G.P.G production. So when you call one person, we are all there for you. Yeah, we don't keep secret, we don't keep things to ourselves. We are family, so we share everything with you. So whatever goes on, we are there, each and everyone. So you can see they are here doing the project. So don't worry, all those who have their projects pending, trust me, with G.P.G we'll have everything executed. You can see they are installing everything perfectly. Everything is intact. Yeah, so with G.P.G production, we are always there for you. Yeah, so here we are. They are taking good care of everything. Everything is intact, amazing. Let's look at it. Good one there. So you can see, yeah, it's very sad that we lost our brother, but his brothers are they are also here to do the work. So with G.P.G you don't have to fear or panic. Yeah, our brothers are doing everything possible. You can see everything is intact, very neat. Yeah. So thank you so much for your patience and your kind-heartedness waiting for us in all these hard times. So you can say, once again, we appreciate you. God bless you. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. See, say that. We check here. Can be down. And I use small nets and so a big net you use today. Push your hands now. Can be down. Be behind coming. Okay. Net handle. Yeah, net handle. So net is smooth. KS50 frame, say that we need to make come on. KS50. I see your papa. You see a press here. Lock papa. Can be down. Okay, that's okay. So KS50 frame, KS50 frame, sliding window, division. See, showing KS50 frame. glass. That glass. Nti say na KS50 frame niti and we're crossing sliding window. See that glass.